Pollinator-Friendly Gardens, supporting bees, butterflies, and birds. Pollinators play a critical role in ecosystems and food production, yet many face declining populations due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden not only supports bees, butterflies, and birds but also improves your garden's productivity and biodiversity. In this video, we will explore the principles of designing a pollinator-friendly garden, choosing plants, providing habitats, and maintaining an environment that benefits both pollinators and your plants. The first principle is plant selection. Pollinators require nectar, pollen, and shelter. Choose a diverse range of flowering plants that bloom throughout the growing season to provide a continuous food source. Include native plants whenever possible, as they have co-evolved with local pollinators and are more effective in attracting and supporting them. Examples include coneflowers, milkweed, sunflowers, bee balm, and lavender. A mix of annuals, perennials, shrubs, and trees ensures a variety of flower shapes, colors, and bloom times, which caters to different pollinator species. Flower color, shape, and scent are important. Bees are attracted to blue, purple, and yellow flowers, while butterflies favor red, orange, and pink blooms. Tubular flowers often attract hummingbirds, while flat, open flowers provide landing platforms for butterflies and bees. Scented flowers can guide pollinators to nectar and pollen, increasing visitation and pollination efficiency. Planting a combination of shapes and colors creates an attractive and functional garden that meets the needs of multiple species. Spacing and grouping flowers is another essential factor. Plant flowers in clusters rather than scattered singly. Large groups of the same species are easier for pollinators to locate and reduce the energy they expend flying between flowers. Grouping also creates visual impact and encourages pollinators to spend more time in your garden, improving pollination rates for your crops or ornamental plants. Mix complementary species to provide continuous bloom while maintaining attractive clusters. Providing water sources is equally important. Pollinators require water for hydration and to maintain hive humidity in the case of bees. Include shallow dishes, bird baths, or small water features with stones or pebbles for safe landing areas. Ensure water is clean and replenished regularly. Moving water, such as a gentle fountain, can also attract pollinators while preventing mosquito breeding. Access to water improves survival and encourages repeat visits to your garden. Creating shelter and nesting sites supports pollinator populations year-round. Bees need nesting spaces, and many solitary bees nest in bare soil, hollow stems, or wood cavities. Leave areas of bare ground, plant bundles of bamboo, or install bee hotels to encourage nesting. Birds benefit from shrubs, trees, and brush piles that offer shelter and protection from predators. Dense plantings provide cover for butterflies to roost at night or during adverse weather. By providing a variety of habitat structures, you support the full life cycle of pollinators. Avoiding pesticides and herbicides is critical in a pollinator-friendly garden. Many chemicals harm bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Instead, use integrated pest management strategies such as companion planting, attracting predatory insects, and manual removal of pests. Encouraging biodiversity reduces pest pressure naturally and protects pollinator populations. Organic gardening practices not only safeguard pollinators but also promote healthier soil, plants, and produce. Consider plant succession for continuous blooms. Early spring flowers provide resources for emerging pollinators, mid-season blooms support active populations, and late-season flowers sustain them before winter. Plants like crocus, lavender, coneflowers, goldenrod, and asters can provide sequential nectar and pollen sources. Planning for bloom succession ensures pollinators have food year-round, which strengthens populations and increases reproductive success. Incorporating edible plants into a pollinator-friendly garden has dual benefits. Fruits, vegetables, and herbs benefit from pollinator activity, improving yield and quality. Tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, blueberries, squash, and cucumbers rely on insect pollination for fruit production. Herbs such as basil, thyme, and mint attract bees and butterflies while also providing culinary value. Combining aesthetics, productivity, and pollinator support creates a multifunctional garden that is both beautiful and practical. Maintenance practices influence pollinator health. Avoid excessive mowing or tidying, which can destroy nests or remove flowering plants. Leave some plant debris, seed heads, or leaf litter for overwintering insects. Rotate crops and plant diversity to reduce disease while maintaining consistent resources for pollinators. Regular observation helps identify stressed or diseased plants and ensures interventions are pollinator-friendly. Educating yourself about local pollinator species enhances gardening success. Learn which bees, butterflies, and birds are native to your region, what flowers they prefer, and their nesting habits. Some species have specialized needs, such as particular host plants for caterpillars. By matching your plant selection and garden design to local pollinators, you create an effective habitat that directly supports biodiversity in your area. Pollinator gardens also benefit the broader ecosystem. Healthy pollinator populations improve fruit and seed production in surrounding landscapes, support natural pest control, and contribute to ecosystem stability. A pollinator-friendly garden is a small but impactful step toward environmental stewardship. By fostering pollinators in your yard, you support broader ecological networks and contribute to local biodiversity conservation efforts. To summarize, creating a pollinator-friendly garden involves careful plant selection, habitat provision, water and shelter sources, and safe garden management. Include a diversity of native plants that bloom sequentially, group flowers for efficiency, provide nesting spaces for bees and shelter for birds, supply accessible water, avoid harmful chemicals, and incorporate edible plants to maximize benefits. Maintain the garden in a way that supports pollinator life cycles, and observe local species to refine your approach. Pollinator gardens enhance biodiversity, improve crop yields, and offer environmental and aesthetic value. A pollinator-friendly garden is both practical and beautiful. By following these principles, gardeners can create spaces that support wildlife, strengthen ecosystems, and increase their enjoyment of home gardening. Pollinators are vital to food production and ecological balance, and every garden can contribute positively. With thoughtful planning and consistent care, your garden can flourish while providing essential resources for bees, butterflies, and birds.